Notion and Xtiles both aim to improve productivity, but they approach it very differently. Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management, databases, wikis, and collaboration tools, making it ideal for users who want structured workflows and advanced organization. It offers features like linked databases, calendar and Kanban views, and strong integration support, though it comes with a steeper learning curve and requires time to set up properly. On the other hand, Xtiles focuses on simplicity and visual organization, presenting information in tiles that can be arranged like a digital canvas. This makes it great for brainstorming, mood boarding, and creative projects where visual layout matters more than structure. While Xtiles may lack some of the advanced database and enterprise features of Notion, it provides a more intuitive and immediate experience for users who prefer flexibility without heavy setup. In summary, Notion is better suited for complex, structured, and scalable workflows, whereas Xstyle shines for creative, visual, and fast idea management.